In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money affiliate marketing with Fiverr, and this method is completely free, which means no paid ads. You also don't need a social media following and you don't need a website. Hey guys, Chad here from Purely Remote, the channel that brings you all the tips, tools and resources for you to find success online. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do affiliate marketing with Fiverr products, and the method is completely free, which means you don't need to pay for any ads, you don't need a website of your own, you also don't need a large social media following. And I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. Now before I get into the details, I just want to answer a couple of questions that you might have. The first being, what is Fiverr? Fiverr is basically an online platform that connects businesses and freelancers. So let's say a business needs a specific service. There are freelancers who upload their profiles and who can deliver those services for these different businesses. And the second question that you might have is, what is affiliate marketing? Now, affiliate marketing is basically where you promote already existing products and services from various companies, and all the sales that you bring in for those companies, you get paid commissions for. So now let's get into it. How do you actually make money affiliate marketing with Fiverr products or services? So I've broken this video down into 4 steps. Just think of it like bite-sized chunks so it's a little bit easier to understand. But the very first thing that you want to find is a product or a service to promote on Fiverr. So the first thing that we're going to need to do, step 1, is to go to Fiverr's website, which is fiverr.com. And when the homepage opens up, and you scroll down just a little bit, you'll actually see all of the different jobs they have to offer. So there's jobs in graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, business, lifestyle. There are literally a whole lot. For this example that I'm going to show you right now, we are going to look for something that is in high demand for a lot of small businesses out there. And I think the example that we should go with is social media growth. So after searching, the next page that opens up, these are all just regular people who are freelancers on Fiverr delivering a particular service specifically for social media growth. So you can scroll down and actually see there are hundreds of them. So what we want to do is actually find a really good one to promote. And to do that, we are going to go over to the sort by, click on that and click on best selling. Okay, so as you can see, there aren't very many large jobs where people have done like hundreds of jobs. So what we're going to do is try and go a little bit further. So if we go to the search icon and we search for Instagram growth, head over to sort by again and click on best selling. So now you can see that these best sellers on Fiverr, there are some that have, over 1,000 reviews. There are some with over 800, and we're just trying to look for a really good one that has a lot of good reviews. So here's one with 4.9 stars. We're going to try and go for one with 5 stars. Okay, so let's go for this one over here. This has been booked 728 times and he has a 5-star rating. So his services must be really good. So we're going to check out what he offers. I'll do Instagram marketing or promotion for fast organic growth, which is super important. You want to look for organic growth when you're looking at something like this. You don't want someone who's just going to buy a bunch of followers and that doesn't do any good for the actual clients or the people that you are going to promote to. You need organic growth. You need real people to actually follow these accounts. Awesome. So the reviews look really good. These are all the packages: basic, standard and premium. These are in South African rands because that's where we are from, South Africa. If you're from the US or whichever country you're from, Fiverr should automatically update the currency over there. So you can actually see how much they're charging for each individual package. So for example, his premium package is $26.69, which is like around $180. And under his premium package, he offers 30 days of Instagram growth. Step number 2 is to sign up as an affiliate for Fiverr. So now that we have our product or our service that we're going to promote, we need to join Fiverr's affiliate program. And to do that, all we're going to do is go to affiliates.fiverr.com, and that'll take you to the page where you can sign up or join the affiliate program. Now, if we go over to the commission plan and just take a look at that, you can actually see a breakdown of the different ways that you can earn from Fiverr. So the 2 options that you have are Fiverr CPA and Fiverr Hybrid. Fiverr CPA is where you as an affiliate earn $15 to $150 CPA. So that's cost per action. Every time you bring a customer in, you could earn roundabout in between that amount. Fiverr Hybrid is a $10 CPA. So for every new person you bring in, you earn $10, and then you also get a 10% revenue share for the next 12 months for that particular customer. For this example, for what we're going to do right now, we are going to go with Fiverr CPA. Now to join Fiverr's affiliate program, you're going to click on Join Now. Then you're going to fill in the form to become an affiliate. So this first one, you're going to click account type, private, because you are just a private, you're an individual. Fill in your first name, last name, email address, all of those details, and then click next, and then just go through the process until your application is done and complete and you're ready to go. And then when you're done applying, you are going to be able to log in and see your dashboard. So I've just created a new affiliate account right over here, and you can see it's very, very new. So 4 unique clicks. I've just done some testing on a few of the links. But what you want to look for is on the left column, you want to click on marketing tools and then go to default and deep links. And then these are all of your links that you're going to need as an affiliate. However, all of these links that you see are just going to take people to Fiverr's homepage. So what you want to do is actually send them to your specific gig or your specific service that you found a moment ago. So for example, the Instagram organic marketing that we found a few moments ago, that's the one we want to direct people to. Just to save them some time of actually having to search specific jobs, that's the one we found. That's the one we're going with. So what we're going to do is go back to the page where the job or the service is offered, and we are going to copy that URL. And you'll see that it's quite a long URL, and you want to copy everything that is before the question mark and where it says context. So copy all of that. Go back into your Fiverr dashboard and click on the drop down for LP URL. All you're going to do is paste that link right over there and hit enter. So now you'll notice that your Fiverr CPA affiliate link is a lot longer, and essentially what's going to happen is that everybody who clicks on this link will be taken to that specific job, not just to Fiverr's homepage. So now that we've signed up to Fiverr as an affiliate, we've got our product that we want to promote or the service, we've got our affiliate link that sends them directly to that particular product. What we're going to do is on the left corner right over here, you'll see a little icon. Click on that, and that is going to copy that link, because what you want to do is shorten the link. I don't know if you've noticed, but this link looks super long, untidy, and kind of spammy, to be honest. So we're going to go to a website called Bitly, which is bitly.com, bitly.com. And basically what this website does is it shortens links for you. So all you're going to do is when you land on the homepage, scroll down, paste your long link, and click shorten. After that, you're going to copy the link and then paste the link into a document or into a note anywhere that you can find it easily later. Now, there's just something that I noticed that I didn't run through with you a little earlier ago, and that is just kind of figuring out what everything means on the dashboard. So when you're on your Fiverr affiliate dashboard, there are a couple of things that you're going to pay attention to. It is, of course, your balance in the top right-hand corner, right over there. That says how much you've earned as an affiliate, how many sales you've made, and then also your unique clicks. Now, so what I'm about to show you is basically a way where you can get a lot of clicks every single month on your link, and then also how you can push this balance up to hundreds or even thousands per month. Okay, and now time for step number 3. In this step, we are going to do a Google search for articles that are specifically speaking about how important it is for a small business to have a good social media following or to grow their social media account. So we are going to search for social media for business, and we're going to find an article that pretty much fits exactly what we're looking for. And now if we scroll down, there is an article right over here, 22 benefits of social media for business, which I think perfectly fits exactly what we're doing. So all we're going to do right now is copy this link and paste it into the same document where you pasted your shortened link earlier. Once you've pasted that link, you're going to go to a website called sniply.io, and you're going to register for a free account. Super easy to do that. Just head over to pricing, then go over to their free plan and click sign up. And basically what Sniply does is it allows you to put in certain call to actions in different websites. If that seems a little bit confusing, I'm going to explain exactly how it works. So when you're on your dashboard, once you've registered for your free account, you're going to click on manage and then head over to call to actions. When that page opens up, click on new call to action, and then you're just going to set up your pop-up for the website that you will be sharing with your potential customers. If you go to the top and you click on type, you're going to click on button. Now this is what I mean. So if this was the entire website or the article that we are going to be sharing with potential customers, this is the pop-up that is going to show at the bottom of the page. So for example, if we send them an article on how to grow your social media following or why it's important for a business to grow their social media following, we're going to share the article that we found, but on that article, we have this little pop-up. So I'm just going to edit this one real quick. Click here to grow your social media following. The button text can say click here. And then under button URL, this specifically says where should the button link to. So if anybody clicks on this button, we want to send them to the Fiverr product that we found just a few moments ago. So I'm just going to paste that link right over there. Now, if you're thinking, why did we go through the extra step of making the link shorter on Bitly? Basically, on Sniply, I know they all sound the same, but on Sniply, if you paste that long link, it won't actually allow you to. In fact, let me show you. So now I just pasted the long link from Fiverr directly into this bar, and I'm going to click continue and finish CTA, and a red pop-up comes up. We cannot create a CTA with this URL. So that link does not work, which is why we had to shorten it. So if I go back and then paste the short link, you can also customize your button color and everything, but I'm not going to do that right now. Finish CTA. Then once you've done that, the next page is going to pop up where you can create a link, and under where it says create a URL, you're basically just going to copy and paste the articles link into this section. Then click on snip and then copy and paste this link into your same document where you've been saving all your other links. And now just to explain what we've done, if I click on visit link, that same article is going to pop up that we found 22 benefits of social media for business. But at the bottom, we've got our pop-up that shows right over there. So if anybody clicks on that button, it's going to take them right to the Fiverr page that we are promoting. So in a bit, I'll explain how to do all of that in step 4. But that is essentially how we're going to make money promoting products and services from Fiverr. And for step number 4, this is when we go into where you are going to promote that link and where you can share it so that you can start bringing people to your affiliate link in Fiverr so that you can start getting those sales and affiliate commissions. So in this step, I am going to give you a few different options. Some of them are super quick and easy, but the other methods are actually if you're looking at building something long-term, like an actual business that's able to run for the long term, not just like a sale and then waiting for another one. So the first way that you can promote your link is to do a quick Google search for small businesses in your area, right? So you could search, for example, pizza shops in my area. You could search for barber shops in my area. You could search for gyms in my area. And when all of those list up, all you want to do is try and find their email addresses and list them down because you are going to send them emails. Now, you could manually type up emails, or you could use one of those artificial intelligence applications or softwares that actually write up a really good marketing email for you. In fact, I'll link one down in the description if you do want to check it out. But those are pretty much the 2 routes that you can go if you go with this manually searching for different businesses and then emailing them. Just another thing to keep in mind is that when you are searching for these companies, go into their websites and check if they do have a social media account. If they do have a super successful social media account, then obviously what you have to offer right now might not be a good fit. But if they do and their account isn't that big, then what you have to offer is something that helps them grow their social media account for their business. It might just play perfectly into what they're looking for. The second option is to go to a website called Quora.com. Now, Quora is basically a questions and answers type website. It's a huge Think about it like a massive forum, and people are asking a whole lot of questions about a whole lot of different topics, and then the rest of the community or the members are able to answer those questions. So for example, if we go to Quora and we search social media for business, these are a list of a whole lot of questions that have been asked on Quora. So can social media marketing really help my business? Why is social media important for your business? What you're going to do is actually go in and answer these questions, give a thoughtful answer with valuable information, and then say, hey, here's a pretty cool article that could actually give you a little more clarity on your question. And then you're going to link them to the article that you've just created on Sniply. Now you might be thinking, why again is it the extra step of sending them to this article when you could just send them to your affiliate link? Well, Quora doesn't always like it when you actually link people directly to an affiliate link. So it's better to send them to the article that you've set up with your little pop-up at the bottom. And when they do read it, you are more likely to actually get a lot of people to click on the link at the bottom. And then if it fits within what they need for their business, if they are looking for someone to grow their social media account, you're going to get that sale or that commission from that sale. And this is what affiliate marketing is. If you haven't noticed, all you're doing is promoting an already existing product or service in this case. And every time you make a sale, you're going to get a commission. Now, if you do want to learn more about affiliate marketing, or if you do want to actually build an affiliate marketing business for the long term and something that is sustainable and pretty much runs on autopilot for the most part, I will link it down in the description as well that you can check out. But number four, the fourth way that you are able to share your link is by actually going out and creating content. So you yourself go out and create a social media account, whether it's on Instagram or TikTok. I would highly recommend TikTok because that's the platform that's on fire right now. And you're going to create content that is around this niche or around the product, so around social media for business. And then what you do is you build an email list of your own. So you would then, from your social media, the content that you're creating, you could have a link in your bio that takes people or gives them the option to actually opt into your email list. And that way, what it actually does is you could promote this link, but because you've got their emails on your email list, if you ever promote any other products in the future, basically you could just send out an email to all those people as well. So it's going to save you a ton of time. I'm not going to get into too much of how to actually build an email list and going into the full affiliate marketing and building that business, but I will also link that down in the description as well if you do want to take a look at it. And that is pretty much it. That is how you can actually promote Fiverr services as an affiliate and how you can make money with it. If you are going to give this method a try, I would love to hear how it goes. So let me know down in the comments. Also, if you do have any questions, anything that I haven't covered, feel free. Drop them in the comments as well. We always answer every single question that we get. If you did find this video useful and valuable and helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to Purely Remote and you haven't yet subscribed, I would suggest doing that. Hit that subscribe button because we are constantly going to be creating a lot more content that is specifically geared at helping you start your online business and helping you make money online. Until next time.